Craving something spicy, bold, and bursting with flavor? Let's make a South Indian style green chili potato fry that is sure to fire up your taste buds. Start with 3 medium sized potatoes, about 400 grams. Wash them thoroughly and cut them into bite sized pieces. Instead of boiling, we are steaming the potatoes. Place them in a steamer and cook until they are tender but still firm. This process takes somewhere around 15 to 20 minutes. Remember, we want them soft but not mushy. After steaming process is done, check the potato texture. Keep the potatoes aside. Let's prepare our vibrant green chili paste. In a blender, add 10 green chillies. Adjust based on your heat preference. Add 4 to 5 garlic cloves, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, and a pinch of salt. Grind this into a coarse paste, not too smooth. This paste is the heart of the flavor. Now heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in a wide pan. Add a mix of seasoning spices like mustard seeds, cumin seeds, urad dal, and let them crackle and release their aroma. Then toss in sliced onions and slit green chilies. I have taken one big chili that is not too spicy. Add a few curry leaves as well and saute for about 2 minutes on medium heat. Add in the steamed potato cubes along with a pinch of turmeric powder. Gently saute on low heat for another 2 minutes, coating all the pieces evenly with the turmeric powder. Now comes the magic ingredient, that is the freshly ground green chili paste. Add it and mix it all together so that the potatoes soak in that spicy goodness. Cook this on low flame, stirring frequently for 5 to 6 minutes until the raw smell fades and the masala clings to the potatoes. If you'd like, sprinkle in a teaspoon of coriander powder at this stage for an extra layer of flavor. You can see now it is all coming together. This potato preparation can also be used as stuffing for your samosas, puffs, or parathas. Finish it off with some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Give it a gentle mix and turn off the heat. And that's it, your spicy, soulful green chili potato fry is ready to serve. This South Indian classic may be simple, but it's big on flavor and guaranteed to wake up your palate. Finishing it off with a dash of lemon juice. Serve it hot with rice, roti, or even enjoy it as a spicy side with your favorite main dish. It is vegan, gluten-free, and made with everyday ingredients. No fancy stuff, just real flavor. If you love bold homemade food with a twist, this one is for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a spicy new recipe from around the world. If you tried this recipe, I'd love to hear how it turned out. Thanks for staying till the end of the recipe. See you next time.